Welcome to this guide on replacing your Avalanche key fob battery. Key fob batteries eventually die and need replacement. Common symptoms of a low battery include decreased range or intermittent operation. This video provides a quick, do-it-yourself guide to replacing the battery in 2007-2013 Chevy Avalanche key fobs. You'll need two main tools to replace your key fob battery: a small flathead screwdriver and a CR2032 battery. A small flathead screwdriver will help you gently pry open the fob case. Be sure to use it carefully to avoid scratching or damaging the plastic. You'll also need a CR2032 battery, which is the most common type for key fobs. Make sure to verify the correct battery type for your specific fob model. To begin replacing the battery, first locate the fob opening. Look for a small notch or seam where the two halves of the key fob connect, usually on the side or end. Insert the flathead screwdriver into the seam or notch on the key fob. Apply gentle pressure and twist the screwdriver to separate the two halves of the casing. Take care to work slowly and avoid forcing it, as the plastic can crack if too much pressure is applied. With the fob now open, locate the battery compartment in the center of the key fob. The battery is typically a small round coin cell positioned prominently within the compartment. Look for retaining clips or small plastic tabs that hold the battery securely in place. The battery compartment may have markings or a small tray that makes removal and replacement straightforward. Carefully pry out the old CR2032 battery from the key fob. Use a flathead screwdriver if necessary, but be gentle to avoid damaging the battery contacts or the surrounding components. Now install the new CR2032 battery with the correct polarity. Make sure the positive side faces up. Place the battery securely in the compartment, ensuring proper contact. Start by laying out the two halves of the key fob and the key blade in front of you. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob, making sure the internal components match up properly. Press the two halves together firmly until you hear or feel them snap closed. Check that there are no visible gaps between the halves and that the fob feels solid and secure in your hand. Finally, test the key fob by pressing the buttons to ensure the remote functions are working properly.